Cleaning the water pipes is quick and easy. Start by making sure your drip tray is empty and adding 100 ml of water to the water tank. Return the trays to their original positions. Press Auto Cook button once, then use the arrows to select F1, Drain Water. Press Start to commence the cycle. Empty the drip tray after the program cycle has finished and voila, it's that easy. Give your microwave a refresh with this built-in system cleaning cycle. Start by removing the water tank and making sure your drip tray is empty. Next, make a cleaning solution. Options include adding citric acid or lemon juice to 250 ml of water. Press the Auto Cook button once, then use the arrows to select F2, System Cleaning. Press Start to commence the program. The cycle will run for about 29 minutes. When the program pauses, empty the drip tray and refill the water tank to the max level. Press Start again, and after about 1 minute the cycle finishes. Empty the drip tray and you're done. Lingering smells? Not for long. The deodorization function clears out odor, so your next dish always starts fresh. Press the Auto Cook button once, then use the arrows to select F3 Deodorization. Press Start to commence. The program will run for about 30 minutes and that's it. Built up grease? Let the microwave do the hard work. This cleaning cycle softens stubborn residue and removes the buildup of fat or grease in the cavity. Make sure the water tank is filled with water. Press the Auto Cook button once, use the arrows to select F4 Cavity Cleaning. Press Start to commence. After the program is finished, wipe down the cavity with a damp cloth and empty the drip tray.